my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing my first ever YSL unboxing. If you want to see what I'm unboxing, then just keep watching. So in the last vlog that I posted, you can already tell that I was already eyeing something from there. I can't remember if I said what it was that I wanted, but we're just gonna jump right into the unboxing. So of course this is the big bag that they gave it in, and this is my first ever YSL piece. So this is the box. I don't know if you can tell, but I have two things in here, and this is the same outfit as my last vlog. I'm just doing 2 videos in one day. So this is the little envelope that my receipt comes in, and let's just say it was expensive, but I do not regret it one bit because I have been eyeing this bag for a long time. Okay, I'm just put that to the side. So in this first box, I'm just gonna lay it down because it's gonna fall. But in this first box, the sales associate gave me this cute tote for free, just because I had told him it was my birthday a couple days ago. So he just said, for your birthday, I'm gonna give you this. And I was like, oh my god, this is so cute. So it's literally just a tote bag. Like, you can use it for anything. It's nothing. Well, it's something special to me because, again, I got it for free, but I'm just gonna put that back in there. Okay, and then on to the reveal. It's super heavy. Hopefully that'll stay like that. Okay, so this is the box, and I don't even want to undo like the bow or anything, but I think it just slips on. It's not anything hard, I don't believe. Okay, let me turn this way. Okay, and then inside it just has the dust bag and then some tissue paper in there. Okay, so just by the size of it, I want y'all to guess down below what bag you think it is. Okay, I gave you time to comment. Again, this is the dust bag, and I know y'all can tell what it is already. It is the YSL Lulu bag. This is in the small size, and it just has a magnetic closure. It's so pretty. Like, I hadn't seen it in person, and I was going for the dark beige color, but then trying it on, I was like, you know what, black is just a staple piece. And he also told me that with the dark beige, it's more likely, as any other like nude color bags, that it can be there could be color transfer if you wear jeans or any dark clothing. So yeah, this is the bag that I got. Again, this is just a magnetic closure, and this is the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and take out the paper inside. And then this does come, sorry, I'm trying to like be in focus too, because my setup changed from my mom's house to the apartment. So, and this was a new bag that he had. I really loved my sales associate. He just made the experience so much more fun, and he told me next time, which of course there will be a next time, I'm going to be at the YSL store, just maybe not anytime soon, that we can, I know this looks really bad that I'm just like pulling on it, but there's no other way for me to get it off. That next time we can have champagne, but of course because of COVID we can't. So I actually bought the YSL Toy Lulu in the black with, I believe it was the silver accent color, and I liked it, but what I didn't like about it was that of course it had the leather strap. I wasn't a big fan of it, and of course the Toy Lulu, I knew it was going to be small, I just didn't expect it to be that small. So I just ended up returning it, and I think I got it off of Farfetch, I believe, because they were having a sale and I was able to get that purse on sale, but it just wasn't even worth it at the end, because like I said, like, you're gonna be spending a lot of money on a purse. You might as well make sure that it's something that you love. If you have any doubts about it, definitely just do not get it, and that goes for anything luxury. So I'm just gonna stuff that in there. Okay, and then this is how it looks with the straps. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. It's not that hard to close, like people say it's. I just think it's super cute. I'm gonna do mod shots after I show you how it is, but of course I know there's a bunch of reviews on it, but I'm sorry, I just had to do my own. So of course it's a magnetic closure. On the inside it has this big compartment here. Right here is a zipper compartment. You can put anything really. He said that this is the authenticity card. He said that people usually put like lipsticks and stuff in there, like as a cosmetic pouch, but I don't think I would put anything in there. And then it just has this back opening here, and there is a small pocket right here. I hope you guys can see that. I know the lighting is really bad, but yeah, so this is again my first ever YSL bag. I am completely in love with it. I was debating between, again, this one and the dark beige color, but I think I would rather get a crossbody bag, like probably the, is it the YSL envelope, the small envelope? I'd rather get that in the beige, because beige I feel like is more classy and like I'm going out. And this one too, like you can dress it up or dress it down. So yeah, this is my new baby right here. I cannot wait to use it. I definitely I'm using my, I have my other purse right here. I'm using my Sienna currently, so maybe I should try and just put like some stuff in here. Let's see what all, maybe I can see what fits in here. So I just have, I'm using my Rosalie coin purse. We're just gonna fit that in. I put that in the front pocket here. This is my Louis Vuitton 6-ring key holder, and I'm just gonna put that in front. Put that right in front of it. I have this little, this is where I keep all of my makeup. My best friend actually made this for me. So I'm gonna, this is not the perfect setup, I apologize. This I'm gonna put in the back compartment. So that looks like there. And then this, I have like just some gift cards that I don't want to put in my purse. And I'm gonna put that one in the front pocket behind my wallet. and you can hardly see it right there. It like fits perfectly in there. I have a sanitizer, my AirPods, and I have my I need to put this charm, my James Avery charm, on my bracelet. And I just have some like little cards here, but that's everything that's in my purse, and my phone is actually right here. Let me just grab it really quick. And then I'm just gonna stick my phone in right there. Hopefully that focuses. So yeah, that's literally everything that I have in my current purse. And it closes perfectly. There is no like bulging in the front. So it literally fits everything like that I would carry every day. Now I definitely will not be taking this one to work, because obviously I do not want to, where I currently put my purse, it's underneath like a cabinet. So, and this is of course like real leather, and I just love it so much. I cannot wait to take it out. And you can obviously make it a crossbody. Again, I'm gonna be doing mod shots, that way you can see how it looks like, so you can see it fully. I'm sorry about my little setup, but yeah, that is literally everything that I would carry in my purse. It all fits in here. And I am just so in love. And I think what made it a little bit more special is that Omar was there with me when I bought it. So he was there helping me, like, yes, this looks good, no, this looks good. I was between this bag, and then I went to the Louis Vuitton store to see if I wanted the Speedy, because my best friend got the Speedy, but it's close to my Sienna, so I was just back and forth. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely be doing a wear and tear in a couple months to keep you guys updated, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!